Hello DevOps! Want to host your website in Docker in seconds? It all starts with a Dockerfile. Watch to learn how. Before we dive in, let's start with the Dockerfile. It's like a recipe that tells Docker how to build your web server, what to include, what to copy, and what to run. This is the Dockerfile we'll be using. Let's break down line by line before we set up the web server. We're starting with a lightweight Nginx Alpine efficient web server as our base, ideal for keeping your Docker image slim. Working directory. This sets the working directory where our website files will live inside the container. Copy. This copies everything from your project folder into the container. Run. Here, we're adding a quick demo file just to show how commands run inside the container. CMD. This starts the web server and keeps it running. Before we start, make sure Docker Desktop is running. I'm using Visual Studio Code on Linux to build this project. Inside my project folder called App, I've created two files, Dockerfile and an index.html. This is where we'll define our container and serve our website. The index.html will be served by the container as our website's homepage. Now just run the two commands inside the project folder. Now we're building the Docker image. I'm inside the app folder where the Dockerfile and index.html located. The image name is my site, and by default, Docker assigns it the latest tag. To verify that the image was created successfully, run the command docker image ls. This will list all available Docker images on your system, and you should see my site listed with the latest tag. Now run the container and go live. Just use this command. Docker container run-d-p8080 to 80 my site. Now open your browser and go to localhost 8080. Your website is live. And that's it. You just build a web server using Docker. A web server that runs anywhere from your laptop to the cloud. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow for more 2-minute DevOps tutorials.